Welcome in our channel. Today we are studying about fraction, standard 7, NCERT syllabus, lecture number 2. We are talk about today what is equivalent fraction, and then we have solved some examples. It is related to fraction, and then we have solved today. I will show you how to solve exercise number 2.1. So ready students? Now we have started with what is equivalent fraction. So today's our topic is what is equivalent fraction. So first of all, equivalent fraction have different numerator and denominator but same value. Yes students, यहाँ पर equivalent fraction किसे बताएंगे हम कि यहाँ पर आपकी न्यूमरेटर की वैल्यू यानी कि टॉप नंबर एंड बॉटम नंबर बोथ आर डिफरेंट, दोनों अलग हो गए, यहाँ पे डिफरेंट हो गए, दे आर नॉट सेम, बट यहाँ पे उसकी जो वैल्यू होगी जो है वो कैसे होगी, सेम होगी. लेट्स सी देयर एग्जांपल्स. उसके एग्जांपल्स में आपको आई विल शो यू देयर एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 1/2, फॉर एग्जांपल 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 4/8. So 1/2 यहाँ पर मैं कटिंग करूंगा. I'll cut top and bottom number, so I'll get 1/2. If I'll cut top and bottom number, denominator and numerator both are different, and I'll cut it together, so I'll getting 1/2. So 1.5. So you can say these three values are different, but that answer is that main value is same. When we are cutting the digits, top number and bottom number, we are getting same digits. It's called 1.5. So that is why we are saying these digits are equivalent fraction. So now we are taking one more examples. Write 5 equivalent fraction of 3/5. हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन जो है वो लिखने हैं किसके, 3/5 के. So let's take an example 3/5. So first of all 3 into 2, 5 into 2. I'll multiply by 2 top number and bottom number. So यहाँ पर क्या getting 2 3 are 6 upon 5 2 are 10. That is our first digit. Second, 3 into 3, 5 into 3, 3 3 are 9 upon 5 3 are 15. So this is our second digit, second value. 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4, 12 upon 20. This is our third digit, third fraction, equivalent fraction we are getting 3 into 5 upon 5 into 5 is equal to 3 by 15 upon 25, and then 3 into 6 upon 5 into 6 is equal to 18 upon 30. So these are the 5 examples of equivalent fraction. What can I do? I'll multiply the same value with 2 and with 3 and 5, top number and bottom number. First we are taking 2, then we are taking 3, then we are taking 4, 5 and 6 repeatedly. So यहाँ पे what can I do? 3/5 we are taking as it is, and we are multiplying 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on top number and in bottom number. So we are getting a 6/10. If we are multiply by 2, both digits, top number and bottom number, so we are getting 6/10. 3 2 are 6, 5 2 are 10, 3 3 are 9, 3 5 are 15. So we are getting 9/15, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So we are getting 12 upon 20. 3 5s are 15. 3 5 5s are 25. So 15 upon 25. 3 6s are 18 and 5 6s are 30. So we are getting 18 upon 30. So these all are fractions known as a equivalent fraction because that main value is say 3 upon 5. So now we are taking one more example. Ramesh solved 2 upon 7 part of exercise while Seema solved 4 upon 5 of it. So who solved lesser part? So यहाँ पे देखते हैं यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज जो है यहाँ पे रमेश सॉल्व करता है और सीमा भी जो है वो एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करती है. बट यहाँ पे व्हाट कैन यू वांट टू फाइंड? वी वांट टू फाइंड who's solved lesser part, यानी कि किसने यहाँ पे कम जो है यहाँ पे एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की है या कम सम जो है वो सॉल्व किए है. That I want to find. So let's see how can we find this. So first of all, Ramesh solved 2 upon 7. Ramesh solved 2 upon 7 part of exercise and Seema solved 4 upon 5 part of exercise. So I want to check whose both of them solved lesser part of exercise. यहाँ पे किसने यहाँ पे जो है वो कम पार्ट जो है एक्सरसाइज का सॉल्व किया है. That I want to find. So let's see what can I do. 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 5. So I want to equal denominator. मुझे यहाँ पे denominator की वैल्यू जो है वो इक्वल करनी पड़ेगी. So what can I do for that? I'll take it as LCM, least common multiple. So 7 5s are 35. 5 7s are 35. So 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. So that is why I'll multiply by 5 in denominator. So I multiply in numerator as well with 5. So यहाँ पे 5 2 का 10 upon 35. 4 7 का 28 upon 35. Denominator, value of denominator are same. So which is the greater value in top number or numerator? So 28 is greater than 10. So 28 upon 35. 28 upon 35 यानी कि ये कौन है यहाँ पे? सीमा सॉल्व मोर एक्सरसाइज कंपेयर टू रमेश. सो यहाँ पे I want to find who solved lesser part. So definitely Ramesh solved lesser part. Ramesh solved lesser part. That is my answer. So I hope we cleared this sum. Now we are taking one more example. Let's see. Samira purchased 3 1.5 kg apples and 4 3 upon 4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of fruit purchased by her? यानी कि यहाँ पे समीरा ने 3 1.5 kg जो है वो एप्पल्स जो है वो यहाँ पे परचेज किए हैं एंड 4 3 upon 4 kg जो है वो ऑरेंजेस परचेज किए हैं. So now based on that data I want to find what is the total weight of the purchased fruit. So यहाँ पे let's see. We are taking 3 1.5 kg apples. So यहाँ पे what can I do? 2 3s are 6 plus 1 divide by 2 as it is. So I'll getting 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2 kg. So what is the total weight of apples? 7.5 यानी कि 3.5 kg apples brought or purchased by Samira. Now let's talk about oranges. So यहाँ पे 4 4s are 16 plus 3 upon में 4 as it is, so 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19 upon 4 as it is, so 19 upon 4 kg orange is purchased by her. So now what can we do? We are doing, I will do it sum of the both values which we are getting 7 upon 2 plus 19 upon 4. So in this case 2 and 4 are different values. So what can I want to do? I want to equal both of them. I want to equal it. So what can I do for that? I multiply by 2 in both cases, numerator and denominator. So that's why we are getting up 2 to the 4. So upon यहाँ पे जो है यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 4 आएगा. So 4 are equal in denominator in the both value. So I am taking as a common value of in denominator 7 to the 14 plus 19 as it is. So 14 plus 19 33 upon 4 as it is. So 33 upon 4 kg is the sum of purchased fruit. So if I will convert it into a mixed fraction, so I am getting a 8, it is a 1 upon 4 because 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33 and upon 4 as it is, so 8 it is a 1 upon 4 kg is the answer of the question. So I hope आपके जो डाउट्स है वो सॉल्व हो चुके हैं. So thank you very much for watching this video. Now we are showing you in a next lecture, it's will lecture number 3. I'll solve exercise number 2.1. So तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, and take care, have a great day and goodbye.